Hey guys, it's Amy and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Stray Kids SKZOO characters into charms/beads. So for today's project, we are going to be using Play-Doh because I love the different colors. It also air dries and I feel like it's pretty cost effective or budget friendly. And I think you can pretty much find it in a lot of different stores. So we're going to be using that today. So the first thing I'm going to do is shape each of the characters' heads while looking at reference on my laptop, and I'm going to link the original video down in the description below so that you guys can easily access and also reference it. So now that we have completed the base for Minho's SKZOO character, we are now going to cover it with a clear drying glue. Typically, I like to use Podge, but since I don't have that right now, I'm going to be using this, which is called Weld Bond, but really any clear drying glue should work. Especially when working with Play-Doh, as it dries, it kind of shrinks just a teeny bit, and this causes it to crack. But with my previous projects, I put the glue on while it was drying, and this helped to prevent it from cracking. But it doesn't actually prevent the shrinking, but it only shrinks by a little bit anyway, so it's really not that noticeable. So usually how I like to apply the glue is using a paintbrush, and you also want to make sure that you get it in the hole as well. And once you're done covering it in the clear drying glue, you can set it down on a clear piece of plastic, since the glue typically does not stick to it. And now you want to repeat the whole process for all the other characters. now that we've finished with all of them, we're going to leave them for about 48 hours or 2 days until the Play-Doh is mostly dry, and that'll make them a lot harder so that we can later paint on them. And finally, the last thing that we have to do is cover their painted faces with clear glue. We're just gonna let them dry and then they will be done. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!